according to the recipe, we need 4 parts water, which means 4 scoops of these. So we have to mix together sugar, lemon juice, and our honey. Yes, over medium heat flame slow grill, which is just a thing that dragons use, but in human terms, we're going to call it a stove. So we can start by adding the water. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's our 4 parts of water. And we're going to add our lemon juice. So 2 parts lemon juice. 1. 2. And our honey. We need 3 parts of honey. My mom's going to help me open this. So there's 1.
Al final con tu dedito.
And there's 2. And there's 3. Okay. Now there's honey on my finger. Okay, so we have to heat this over the stove a little bit. Oh, we have to add our sugar first. So let's add our, there was 5.
Go.
So here's 2 parts of sugar. Here's 3 parts of sugar. Here's 4 parts of sugar. And here's 5 parts of sugar. Okay, so over medium, stirring constantly until mixture starts to bubble slowly. So that's step number 1. So we mix together our sugar, lemon juice, and honey. And now we have to heat it over the stove. And we have to add our water. So never mind, we didn't have to add water. We have to stir it over the stove, I think.
Ponle pausa.
So we are mixing and our thingy is starting to boil, our mix, and we're going to experience some chemical and physical changes. I think this is ready. So see how it changed a little bit of color and the water is starting to boil. So I'm pretty sure this is ready. So we can turn it off. Thank you, Mom. There we go. So we are experiencing some chemical changes. Step number 2 is that we also have to add a little bit more honey. Thank you, Mom. And we're also starting to experience some chemical changes where the water is starting to boil and it's changing colors because of the sugar and honey. So we need to now pour it into some water to see if it's ready, and if it makes like a drop of honey.
No, not yet.
Not yet?
No.
Okay.
Need to keep revolving. You can see.
So you can see the color changing a little bit. It's becoming lighter, and it's also becoming more less thick.
No.
or it's becoming thicker. Step number 3 was to test our caramel in some cold water and see if it became I just burned myself, a little drop, which yes, it's a drop now. We have multiple drops in there. It tastes good.
I told you, te dije. See my drops we can see?
Looking at the drops, we can see that they have solidified and that they are now drops of our caramel. And so yeah. Step number 4 was to pour the mix into some molds or into teardrop shaped molds, but since we don't have those, we're going to use the seashell molds. Then we let it cool and let it harden. Number 5, once it's cooled and hardened, you can take them all the way out and enjoy.